Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the quadratic equations, class 10. We know the quadratic equations and we also know the polynomials. The quadratic equations is the one type of the polynomial. So different types of polynomials are there. When we equate the quadratic polynomial to 0, we get the quadratic equations, and many have worked on this quadratic equations, and it is believed that the Babylonians are the first to solve the quadratic equations, and the Indian mathematicians called the Brahmagupta also gave the equation, which is ax square plus bx is equal to c, the equation which is given by Brahmagupta way back in around 598 to 665 CE, and also the Sridharacharya worked on these quadratic equations, and he solved the problems by completing square methods. And it's a very important topic because it is very applicable to day-to-day life. How it is applicable? Let us see. Suppose we have a land of carpet area 300 meters square, and we don't know the length and breadth of it. We only know the length is 1 meter twice its breadth. That means length is x, let us take. Then how we can calculate the length and breadth exactly? So this can be done by using quadratic equations. We know area is equal to L into B. Area is given, that is 300 meters square, and L is 1 plus 2x, and the breadth B is x. So here it comes to x plus 2x square. So 2x square plus x minus 300 equal to 0. This is the quadratic form. So we can calculate the breadth and length of this particular area. So how can be calculated? There are as many as 3 ways to calculate. Okay, the factorial, that is factorization method, completing square method, and formula method. So any one of these can be used to solve, that is used to get the length and breadth of this area. So let us take the factorization method. So here, how it can be factorized? We just have to multiply the first term with the last term. So what we get here? 2x square into minus 300 minus 600 x square, and the middle term, we should take the middle term as it is. Now 600 x square we should get after multiplication minus 600 x square, and after subtraction or addition we should get the x. So how it can be done? It's a very big number, so let us go by like LCM. So 2 and 2 3s are 2 1s are, so 2, so here 3 2s are, and now 5 5s are, 5 1s are. So if you just multiply 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 is the 24, and this 25. 24 into 25 will give you, that is 25, not 24. 24x into 25x will give you 600. But here, after subtraction, we should get x. So for that we need minus 24. So I can write like this for better understanding. 25 minus 24 is 1. That is x. So the factorization gives you here you can write 2x square plus 25x minus 24x, and the last one is 300 is equal to 0. So we got 4 terms. Now the common term, you just take out the common term. Here the common term is only x. 2x into x, 2x square plus 25 into x, 25x minus. Here what can be taken? 12. 12 2 is 24, and here x minus into plus minus 12 25 is you will get 300. Okay, now x minus 12 is one term and 2x plus 25 is one term. Okay, and now you got x minus 12 is equal to 0 one term, 2x plus 25 is equal to 0 one term, and x is equal to 12, and here you won't get the positive value for x. So x is equal to minus 25 by 2. It is not at all possible. The length, or here x is breadth, the breadth cannot be in the negative form. So 12 meter, x is equal to 12 meter is the answer. That is breadth. And what is length? Length we know 1 plus 2x, that is 1 plus 2 into 12, that is 1 plus 24, that is 25 meter. So this is how it can be calculated. This is the best way of getting the length and breadth of a particular area when it is now only the area. Only the area, if you know the other things, that is breadth and length, can be calculated by using quadratic equation. The same thing can be derived by completing square method and formula method. So those all we will see in the next exercise. Let us take one example. As I told, it is a very applicable chapter in day-to-day life. Let us take one example. John and Jivanti have 45 marbles. Both of them have 45 marbles, and they lost 5 marbles each. And after the loss, when they multiply their marbles, they get to 124 marbles. 124 marbles. Then number of marbles of the John and Jivanti. Let us calculate. So first, John has marbles. How many? We don't know. Let us take altogether both of them have 45. 45, both of them. G1P has marbles how many? Suppose here John and G1P, both of them have, we can take G1P plus John, both of them have 35. Okay. Or we can take, we don't know the marbles which are with the John, then we take them as X. And G1P how many? 45 minus X, that is the whatever the number of John has, that has to be subtracted, and remaining marbles are with the G1P. Now after losing 5 marbles, after loss of 5 marbles, John has X minus 5, and after losing 5 marbles, G1P has how many first? 45 minus X. Now in that again minus 5, that is 45 minus 5 is 40, 40 minus X. Now multiplication of, that is product of, after the loss, product of their marbles, that means after the loss means John X minus 5, G1P 40 minus X. How many? 124. Now calculate the number of marbles with the John and G1. So this can be multiplied. 40 into X, 40X minus X square minus 200 plus 5X is equal to 124. Now 40X and 5X, 45X minus X square plus 45X minus 124 is equal to 0. Now remove the minus sign, that is X square minus 45X plus 124. Otherwise you can say take the minus as common. Now by factorization method also you can solve this. Now you got it in the form of quadratic equations. Now factorize it or use the another that is the completing square method or the formula method. So I use here factorization method. First term is last term, and next term middle term, along with the sign plus or minus. Here this plus 124x square, 124x square, and here minus 45x. So I told you after multiplication you should get 124, and after subtraction or the addition you should get the 45 with the negative sign. Now what is that number? What are those numbers which give product 124 and subtraction or the addition 45? Let us see. 124, 2 6 are 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 1s are, and now 31 4, 31 4s, and 31 plus 4, no, it won't, 124. So here 124 and 31. In which table we get the 31? 4, 124. We can use the another method, that is formula method or the computing square method. Here whether it is 124, let us check. Both of them, yes, both of them have 124 x square. 40x minus x square, 200 minus 200, 5x, 45x minus x square. Oh yes, here minus x square, we went on here, x square minus x square, 45x, where is the 200, isn't it? We took this side, so x square plus 45x, it is minus 324. It is not 124 here now, that's why it's not coming. Now minus, you take, remove the minus, x square minus 45x plus 324 is equal to 0. Now first term into last term, factorization method, it is positive 324 x square and minus 45x. Now we can perform this activity. 324, here 2 1s are, 2 6s are, 2 2s are, 2 8s are, 2 1s are. Now directly you can take 9 or 3, better go by least numbers. 3 2s are 6, 2 remain, 7, 3 9s are, now 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. Now you should get minus, that is 45 here, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, so 12 we get 27. 27 plus 12, how many? 27 plus 12 is, no, you won't get, so you take another one. 12 3s are 36 plus 9, here it is how much? 5, yes, you get. So you can take one more here. 12 3s are 36 into 3 3s are 9, 36 into 9. So here 36x into 9x and 36x plus 9x will give 45. Now on both the sides we should take negative sign, so that minus into minus plus, 36 into 9, 24, 324, x into x, x square, minus 36x and minus 9x will give minus 45x. Now at any time you can pause the video and see. X square minus 36x minus 9x plus 324. 324, I will just remove this, is equal to 0. Now you got 4 terms and take out the common one, x minus 36. Here if you take 9 as a common, minus into minus plus 9, 36 you can do on your own, you will get definitely 324. Now it is 0. Next, x minus 9 one term and x minus 36 another term. So x minus 9 is equal to 0, x minus 36 is equal to 0, x is equal to 9 and x is equal to 36. That is, they may have 9 marbles or 36 marbles. So if the John has 36 marbles, then how many the Jivanti will have? Suppose initially we took x as the John marbles of John. So x is equal to 9. Then in that case G13 had 45 minus x, isn't it? That is G13. Now 45 minus 9, that is how many? 5, 4, 36, isn't it? 36. 36 plus 9, again you will get 45. And if you think the John has 36 marbles, then G13 how many? Again 9, isn't it? So 36 plus 9 again 45. So like this you can calculate. So this is how the quadratic equations plays a very important role in calculating many difficult problems. So the Indian mathematicians way back in 600 CE and the Sridharacharya in 1025 CE, they worked on that and they derived the formula, a very important and very the difficult formula, that is completing square method. And it's another thing that the Babylonians were the first. It is not clear. And now we will move to the exercise in the next video. Thank you.